Okay, so what I'm going to do here is show you a couple different ways you can upload a video. All my assignments in Canvas have two options. Primary option is to submit a website URL, so that can either be a YouTube link or it can be a link to your Google Drive. I'm going to show you how to do both of those. If for some reason that doesn't work, I also have the option to enter it in a text box. So when you test it after you've submitted it, and I'll show you how to do that. Once you've tested it, if it doesn't work, then you can submit the exact same link in a text box. So we'll start with YouTube. So you can use your DISD account. You can use personal account. Doesn't really matter. You can also do this on your phone or tablet. There's a couple different things on the tablet. So what you want to do is go to Create. And this is, you've already recorded your video, so you're not going to do this directly to YouTube. And then you're going to get this. You can either go here and open up your files, or you can just simply drag and drop. So I'm just going to grab a video I've already made here and drag this over. If you're on a tablet or device, obviously it's going to take you to your camera roll or something along those lines. So here, don't care about the title because it's going to show up in Canvas at the right place. Don't care about the description. Don't need a thumbnail. Playlist doesn't matter. Here's one of the two very important things. You need to click yes, it's made for kids. That means I'll be available to view it on my school computer. If I'm networked to the DISD network and it's clicked, if it's not clicked yes, or if you've accidentally clicked no, I won't be able to view that at school. I have to come home and watch it, and that's kind of a bummer. So make sure you click yes, it's for kids. Then go to next. Nothing on this screen we care about. And then on the last screen, here's the other important thing. This needs to be marked as unlisted. If you do, you can do it as public. I assume most of us do not want to have our playing tests viewed publicly. So I would do it as unlisted. Please don't do it as private because I won't be able to view it. If you do it as unlisted, only you and the person who has the link, which is me, is going to be able to see it. Okay. And then the last thing you do is hit save over here. And then it'll take a few minutes to upload. Now on a tablet or a phone, because I upload YouTube videos on my phone sometimes, I will tell you that if you go to a different app while it's uploading, sometimes it stops uploading. Like if you hit upload and it'll say processing 12%. If you open Facebook or something else, sometimes it stops, sometimes it resets. Also, if you leave it and your phone goes into screen lock, sometimes it'll stop uploading. So either once you hit upload, it usually only takes a couple minutes. Either sit there and kind of thumb and kind of like refresh your screen so it doesn't screen lock, or set your screen to never lock. But just kind of monitor it and make sure it uploads all the way. Because like I said, if it's in the background, sometimes it will not do that. Okay, so now we have a successfully uploaded YouTube video. So what we want to do is click on the video and then go up here, copy the link, okay, and then we're going to go into Canvas. So say we're going to submit this one right here to Mallet. This is due last Friday. So the first thing I do is hit submit assignment. Like I said, this is the primary one. We want to go to website URL, copy that link there, and then hit submit assignment. Okay. Once you go through the next step, if for some reason you're not able to view your video, you want to go over here to text entry. You can do the same thing. Either way really doesn't work, or either way really doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do there. This is the preferable way, but I'll take either. So then you click submit assignment, and now it has been submitted. Okay. So the next thing we want to do is check to see if it worked. Okay, so first of all, the first thing you want to check is, does it say submitted right here? Okay, and if you did it as a website URL, then it should. The only reason it wouldn't is if Canvas can't detect what you copy and pasted as a website URL. So you might have misclicked or not gotten the full address or something like that. So it's been submitted. The next thing I want to do is go into submission details and then just check to see if your video will load out of Canvas. And we can see here, there's my video. So now I know I'm good to go. Okay, my YouTube video is successfully uploaded. If this didn't work, the next thing I would go do is go enter it as a text URL and then try it again. And then check afterward. Okay, so an alternative way you can submit if you don't want to use YouTube, or for some reason YouTube is not working for you. Uh, if you can get YouTube working, it is the least buggy on my end because it's very easy to submit something from your Google Drive and forget to set the permission correctly. And then we have to go back and reset the link and do a whole bunch of stuff. So it's just easier to do it on YouTube. But if you're not comfortable doing that, or if you're having trouble doing it on YouTube, there's another way you can do that, and that is by using your Google Drive. So this is somebody's video from last April, I think. So what you do is click on the video once you've recorded it and and it's in your Google Drive. So you click on the video. And then you're going to go over here, more actions, and you're going to hit share. Okay, and what we want to do is get the link, but we need to change this. We need to set our permissions here. So what we want to do is anyone with the link can view. Okay, this doesn't have to be set to commenter or editor. So we want this to be viewer here. Anyone on the internet with this link can view. If it's not set like this and you send me the link, I will not be able to see it. And then the next thing we do is copy link. Okay, so again, anyone on the internet can view. I copied the link. Okay, so now I'm back in Canvas. Okay, you can always resubmit at any time, even if it's overdue. So now I'm going to go to website URL again. Okay, I'm going to try first to enter this as I don't know why I hit return there, but there we go. So it's submitted. Okay, and again, I'm checking here. Did it submit? Now I want to go to submission details and make sure this works. Okay, view in new tab, and it should pull up that video. And if I've set the permission correctly, I can hear Johnny Trombone here. Okay. So those are your two methods. If you've tried both of those and you've double checked to make sure you're doing all the settings correctly, please let me know. Send me an email and then we'll figure something out.